What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Today, let's talk about the 3 different kinds of orders that you can use to get into the market. Okay, the first one is market execution. That means as soon as you press the button, you're in. Okay, then there's 2 more. We call them pending orders. Okay, the 2 types of pending orders are stop orders and limit orders. Okay, so stop orders, I don't know why they call it a stop order, because a stop order, you don't want it to stop. You want it to keep going. So like on a buy stop, you set the buy stop price level here. Price is currently here. You want it to go here, boom, on the buy and keep going through it. Okay? Mainly used for like breakout trades, okay? Same thing is true for the sell stop. You set it below, price is here. You want it to hit and continue going. So a stop order actually doesn't stop. You want it to keep going, all right? A limit order is the second type of pending order, okay? A limit order, here's a good trick that I learned for the limit order. Take your finger, go like this, make an L, okay? And then flip it around like that, okay? Now on a buy limit, what's gonna happen is price is here, it's gonna come down, hit this point, hit this price right here, and then reverse and keep going the opposite direction, okay? So that's a buy limit order. It looks like an L, okay? And then same thing is true for a sell. Here, let me contort my body for you. Okay, goes up and then reverses. Hopefully you want to catch it at that pinpoint right there, okay? So, those are the 2 limit orders. Off you go. I'll post a little cheat sheet for you. You can screenshot that, save it on your phone so you can refer to it later on. All right, guys? So hope that helps. Have fun. Make it a great day. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Peace.